Crash Course: Wisconsin State, USA. Welcome to our crash course on Wisconsin, a state known for its natural beauty, vibrant culture, and rich history. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the geography, capital, population, economy, education, brief history, cultures, and politics of Wisconsin. We will also share some interesting stories and examples to captivate our readers. Additionally, we will highlight the top 12 attractions that make Wisconsin an enticing destination. Let's embark on a journey through the wonders of Wisconsin. 1. Geography. Wisconsin is located in the Midwest region of the United States. It is bordered by Lake Superior and Michigan to the north, Lake Michigan to the east, Illinois to the south, and Iowa and Minnesota to the west. The state is characterized by its diverse landscapes, including the Great Lakes, rolling hills, fertile farmlands, and pristine forests. 2. Capital. The capital of Wisconsin is Madison. Situated on an isthmus between Lake Mendota and Lake Monona, Madison is a vibrant city known for its beautiful lakes, vibrant art scene, and its status as a major educational and governmental center. 3. Population. As of the 2020 census, Wisconsin has an estimated population of approximately 5.9 million people. The state is known for its friendly and welcoming residents, who embrace a strong sense of community and pride in their state. 4. Economy. Wisconsin has a diverse and robust economy. Key industries include manufacturing, agriculture, healthcare, tourism, and information technology. The state is home to major manufacturing companies and is known for its production of dairy products, including cheese. Additionally, Wisconsin's natural beauty attracts visitors from around the world, contributing to its thriving tourism industry. 5. Education. Wisconsin values education and is home to several prestigious universities and colleges. The University of Wisconsin-Madison, one of the top public universities in the country, is renowned for its academic excellence and research contributions. The state's educational system emphasizes innovation and provides opportunities for students to excel in various fields. 6. Brief history. Wisconsin has a rich and diverse history. Native American tribes, including the Ojibwe, Menominee, and Ho-Chunk, have inhabited the region for thousands of years. European exploration and fur trading in the 17th century paved the way for French and British influence. Wisconsin became a U.S. territory in 1783 and achieved statehood in 1848. The state played a significant role in the development of the labor movement and was at the forefront of progressive-era reforms. 7. Culture. Wisconsin's culture is shaped by its immigrant heritage, particularly from German, Scandinavian, and Polish communities. The state is known for its love of sports, especially football, with the Green Bay Packers being a legendary NFL team. Wisconsin's festivals, such as Summerfest in Milwaukee, celebrate music, art, and local traditions. The state also takes pride in its culinary specialties, including bratwurst, cheese, and craft beer. 8. Politics. Wisconsin has a diverse political landscape with a mix of conservative and liberal viewpoints. The state has a tradition of political engagement and has been a battleground in national elections. Wisconsin's political history includes significant contributions to progressivism and social reforms. Now, let's dive into some interesting stories and examples to engage our readers. Story 1. The Harley-Davidson Legacy. Milwaukee is the birthplace of Harley-Davidson, the iconic motorcycle brand. The company's rich history and craftsmanship have made it a symbol of American freedom and rebellion. Visitors can explore the Harley-Davidson Museum, which showcases the brand's evolution and impact on popular culture. Story 2. The House on the Rock. Located near Spring Green, the House on the Rock is a unique attraction that defies categorization. Designed by Alex Jordan Jr., this sprawling complex features a combination of architecture, collections, and curiosities. From the Infinity Room that extends out over a cliff to the world's largest carousel, the House on the Rock offers a one-of-a-kind experience. Now, let's uncover the top 12 attractions that make Wisconsin a captivating destination. 1. Door County. Explore the picturesque peninsula with its charming coastal villages, scenic shoreline, and vibrant art scene. 2. Milwaukee Art Museum. Marvel at the stunning architecture and diverse collection of artworks in this renowned museum on the shores of Lake Michigan. 3. Wisconsin Dells. Experience the water park capital of the world, with its thrilling water slides, amusement parks, and natural beauty. 4. Apostle Islands National Lakeshore. Discover a breathtaking archipelago of 21 islands on Lake Superior, offering opportunities for kayaking, camping, and exploring historic lighthouses. 5. Taliesin. Visit the former home and studio of renowned architect Frank Lloyd Wright, located in Spring Green. 6. Cave of the Mounds. Venture underground to witness the natural beauty of this limestone cave, adorned with colorful formations. 7. Olbrich Botanical Gardens. Immerse yourself in a world of lush gardens, serene landscapes, and stunning architecture in Madison. 8. EAA AirVenture Museum. Step into the world of aviation at this museum in Oshkosh, where you can see historic aircraft and experience thrilling aerial displays. 9. Devil's Lake State Park. Hike through scenic trails, swim in crystal clear waters, and enjoy breathtaking views at this popular state park. 10. Lambeau Field. Pay a visit to the legendary home of the Green Bay Packers and immerse yourself in the rich football culture of Wisconsin. 11. Milwaukee Public Market. Indulge in culinary delights, fresh produce, and artisanal goods at this vibrant market in the heart of Milwaukee. 12. Circus World Museum. Step back in time to the golden age of the circus and experience the wonders of this living museum in Baraboo. Summarization. Wisconsin, with its stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and welcoming communities, offers a captivating experience for travelers. From the natural wonders of Door County and the Apostle Islands to the vibrant cities of Milwaukee and Madison, Wisconsin has something for everyone. The state's diverse history, robust economy, and commitment to education contribute to its charm and allure. Whether you're exploring the arts, indulging in culinary delights, or immersing yourself in outdoor adventures, Wisconsin invites you to create unforgettable memories in its embrace. Poem. Wisconsin, a land of beauty and might. From lake shores gleaming in the light, to rolling hills and forests deep, a treasure trove for all to keep. Madison, a capital grand and fair, with lakes that shimmer and an air so rare. Education thrives, minds ignite, in the city where knowledge takes flight. Harley-Davidson's thunderous roar, an American legend forevermore. House on the Rock, a realm unseen. Curiosities and wonders, a dream. Door County's allure, a coastal retreat. Milwaukee's art, a masterpiece complete. Apostle Islands, nature's delight. Caves and lighthouses, a wondrous sight. Frank Lloyd Wright's Taliesin stands tall. Gardens bloom in Olbrich's sprawl. EAA AirVenture soars in the sky. Devil's Lake beckons, mountains high. Lambeau Field, where legends reside. A football passion that cannot hide. Milwaukee Market, flavors unfold. Circus World Museum, stories untold. Wisconsin, a tapestry diverse. A fusion of cultures, an open verse. In its embrace, memories are made. In the heart of America's serenade. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.